Hello everybody, and welcome to our channel, where we explore innovative engineering solutions for a sustainable future. Join us as we unpack the technologies and processes that are transforming the way we manage our resources and protect the environment. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on how engineering is making our world cleaner and more sustainable. When it comes to treating industrial wastewater, not all technologies are equally efficient in every scenario. Today, we're going to explore one of the most effective and versatile technologies available, industrial wastewater evaporators. This technology works by evaporating the water content in wastewater, leaving behind concentrating residues of pollutants. But when are they the right choice for your industry? Let's explore. Industrial wastewater often contains high concentrations of dissolved solids, heavy metals, and other contaminants that can be challenging to treat. In these situations, evaporators shine by concentrating these pollutants, making them easier to manage, dispose of, or even recover as valuable byproducts. In industries where zero liquid discharge, or ZLD, is a requirement, evaporators play a crucial role. They reduce wastewater volume to a solid residue, allowing industries to meet stringent environmental regulations and conserve water by enabling its reuse. When dealing with small volumes of highly contaminated wastewater, evaporators can be the most cost-effective solution. And if your wastewater contains valuable byproducts like salts or metals, evaporation helps you recover these, turning waste into a resource. One of the great advantages of modern evaporators is their flexibility in energy use. So whether you have access to electricity or waste heat, evaporators can be tailored to your available resources. Electric-powered evaporators offer convenience and scalability, while those utilizing waste heat can operate more efficiently and reduce energy costs. Not all wastewater is compatible with biological treatment methods, especially when it contains high salinity or toxic organics. In these cases, evaporation is often the best option to reduce waste volume and prepare it for further treatment or disposal. Another significant benefit of using evaporators is the reduction in disposal costs. By evaporating the water content, you decrease the volume of waste that needs to be transported and disposed of, which is particularly valuable when dealing with hazardous waste or when you're in remote locations. Evaporators are also highly customizable, making them suitable for a wide range of industries and treatment needs. Whether used as a pre-treatment step or as the final treatment to achieve zero liquid discharge, evaporators can be scaled to meet the specific demands of your operation. In summary, industrial wastewater evaporators are an ideal choice when you're dealing with highly contaminated wastewater, stringent regulations, the need for water reuse, and when you have the right energy resources available, whether that's thermal or electrical. They not only help reduce disposal costs, but can lead you toward achieving zero liquid discharge, making them a valuable tool in your wastewater treatment arsenal. Thanks very much for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any insights into engineering solutions that keep our world sustainable. Leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay water wise.